A multi-agency drug investigation in Manatee County ends with a roundup of 15 suspects and the seizure of hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of drugs. SNN's Allison Henning has the story.
When you called, you're having problems with this heroin epidemic that is worldwide, we heard you.
15 suspects are behind bars following an 18-month multi-agency drug investigation in Manatee County. James DiCaprio with the Drug Enforcement Administration says the operation focused on the sale of heroin and other narcotics.
It's the devil's sugar.
Heroin in its own right is a tremendously dangerous drug, period. Then when these guys start mixing it with fentanyl, it's up here.
Fentanyl with heroin, and you got a cocktail for death.
Authorities say there were 77 heroin-related deaths and hundreds of overdoses in 2015. But Bradenton Police Chief Melanie Bevan says as a clear and direct consequence of the investigation, there is hope.
Bradenton thus far has seen a 65% decrease in 911 calls for heroin overdoses in 2016, with no recorded heroin deaths thus far.
Authorities seized 3.5 kilograms of heroin with a street value of $262,000. They also confiscated cocaine, fentanyl, firearms, and more than $327,000 in cash and other assets. Manatee County Sheriff Brad Stubbe says the 15 arrests are just the beginning.
We're confident that as we continue this investigation, that you're going to see even more high-profile arrests.
Attorney General Pam Bondi sends a message to those who are still out there.
We're coming after you, and we're going to put you out of business.
Reporting in Manatee County, Allison Henning, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.
The authorities say the suspects are currently facing up to 30 years in prison with more charges possibly on the way. That investigation is ongoing.